Later, said Gator by Carli Valentine. This is little Milo, a 7-year-old gator, and I'm Chad. He dislikes cleaning messes and says he'll do it later. He's always planning something with his big imagination. He makes his masterpieces in artistic jubilation. When he's finished eating breakfast, he decides to make some art. His creative juice is flowing as he paints with all his heart. Another new idea pops into Milo's head. He decides to make a robot and shifts to that instead. In comes Mama Gator. She says, "Wow, I love your pup. When your painting is all finished, please remember to clean up." "I'm busy right this minute. I'll clean it all up later," says a clever and inventive, extra focused little gator. Milo's feeling anxious. With no time to clean his mess, he's back to working on his robot, totally obsessed. He's busy on his project, but begins to have the wiggles. He finds his special basketball and dances while he dribbles. His mama pops her head in and seems a bit distraught. His room is a disaster. It looks like he's been caught. She tries to keep composure, but is feeling rather mad. "Milo, I know you're playing, but this mess has buried Chad." Milo groans and rolls his eyes. He's sassy as can be. He'll clean the mess up later. He's busy. Can't she see? His ball continues bouncing, knocking something to the ground. Books go flying everywhere. The mess is all around. But Milo's busy playing. His attention's on his game. There isn't time for cleaning up. To stop his fun would be a shame. He shoots, he scores. A little while later, he starts to play with rocks. Inspecting his collection, he leaves an empty box. Milo looks across the room and sees his tub of blocks, soon forgetting all about his special shiny rocks. Blocks in every color, in different shapes and sizes. Milo can build anything. He loves to make surprises. Milo uses every block. He stacks them to the ceiling. Then he sees his tricycle and zoom! He's off and wheeling. Bang! The mess is piling up now. It's filling his whole room. He doesn't feel prepared to clean, but says he'll do it soon. Then suddenly he sees it, his favorite purple cup. He dives and digs to grab it, and a giant mess erupts. He's stuck beneath the pile. He tries to look around. The heap has taken over. This is not good. Will he ever be found? He tries to dig them out. The mess is way too big. So Mama grabs a shovel and quickly starts to dig. She finally rescues Milo from beneath the clutter. Milo's feeling guilty. His heart is all aflutter. Whew, that was a close one. He wants to change his ways and clean this giant mess. All gators make mistakes, my dear, and I don't love you any less. They work together quickly to put it all away. They gather things in piles and clean without delay. Milo finally understands what Mama had been saying. By cleaning things along the way, he'll have more time for playing. He knows it will take practice to become a bit more tidy, Together they devise a plan to make his new skill mighty. His mom will set a timer that dings to let him know to take a break and clean, then back to play he'll go. Milo has a lot of strengths. He's smart, artistic, fun. He's capable of anything and proud of all he's done. I'm so proud of you, Milo. Boys and girls, thank you for listening to our story. And this section right here, towards the end, the next page says Milo's Mighty Cleanup Tips.